Cause and effects of the popularity of fast food restaurants. First, let me back up and define junk foods. Basically, it's the items that you eat that has little to no nutrient value, usually coupled with ingredients which can be bad for you or is high in carbs when consumed excessively. Hence, that means candy, chips, biscuits, cake, carbonated, soft drinks, greasy, hamburgers, hot dogs, French fries, ice cream, along with most things that served in fast food restaurants qualify as junk foods. Today, many kinds of fast food restaurants can be found in strategic places, stores, railway and flight station etc. It appears that fast food restaurants are popular and more healthy. All of the international branded restaurants such as KFC, Pizza Hut and McDonald's grow quickly from one city to another all over the world. However, there are lots of causes and impacts of the viability of fast food restaurant and fast food. So why do so many people eat junk foods and why fast food chains are so popular in these days? Listed below are 3 possible reasons. 1. It's cheap. I think just one big reason why crap food is popular is a lot of it is economical to purchase, easily available and their imitation advertisement that helps to boost their prevalence on the current market. That's why these fast food restaurant chain really are so popular in these days. You can go to any fast food restaurant and order something from the menu. For those who own a rupees on your pocket, you are able to buy a complete meal. Same storyline in the supermarket store. Cheap snacks, inexpensive, high salt and other additives, high fat meals can be found. 2. In most families, both husband and wife have a tendency to have work. Consequently, they don't have sufficient energy and time to cook and the frequency of eating takeout is raised. A lot of people today work full days with a lunch break of limited period, thus practically they want fast food. 3. It's simple. This reason goes along with the being cheap part. Crap food is lurking in vending machines. Advantage shops and even shops that don't usually promote food items may have snacks and sodas around the cashiers, and these immediate meals I already mentioned, they are easy to prepare and you also can store a whole lot of them on your kitchen cabinets for quite a while. 4. It's sweet, salty or greasy. Infrequently do crap foods tempt you with delicate or complicated flavors. They pretty much hit one hard with sweet, fatty and salty flavors. I feel those basic flavors may possibly be preferred by those who are picky eaters. But it's more than simply flavor. Various combinations of fat and sugar make for textures. People like this make foods texture creamy and smooth, just like ice cream. Starchy potato and corn chips cooked in hot oil possess a more satisfying crunch. That's not to imply healthy foods don't have a wonderful texture, but sometimes the textures of fruits and vegetables take a little getting used to. What are the positive effects of these fast food restaurants? Here are some consequences of these fast food restaurants. The job opportunities provided by fast food businesses. The lower cost meal will help to boost the market. Fast food is consumed so far by people on a daily basis. There are many fast food outlets in both developed and developing cities. Individuals can quickly see fast food restaurants because they are everywhere in every city in India. This is exactly why job opportunity provided by fast food companies. Quick food is absorbed thus much by people work on a daily basis. Many folks in the world like fast food because of its advantage. The cost for food that is fast at fast food outlet is very low. Some packaged meals such as Maggi run you only 12 rupees, whereas dinner of roti sabji set you back around 30 rupees. This is a difference. That's why many individuals go together with the packaged food or sometimes fast food. Globally, quick food creates revenue of over $570 billion, which is bigger than the financial value of most countries. By 2020, US revenue is anticipated to exceed $223 billion. That is how fast food promotes the market. What are the negative effects of these restaurants? Besides its prevalence, fast food has some effects on human health. A lot of taking out comprises calories from processed sugar and fats. It's also full of sodium and other additives which may lead to somebody to consume it more and more. Eating a low-quality diet full of processed foods is connected to a greater lead to obesity, depression, digestive problems, cancer, obesity, premature departure, hypertension, diabetes, heart disease and stroke, and since you might expect, frequency things. If it has to do with the effects of junk food in your own health. Prevalence of fast food restaurants is brought on by the lifestyle of modern people, food quality and great services. Conclusion. Besides its prevalence, speedy food has a direct effect on individual health. Reducing the frequency